Hi. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Simply to Be with BigCommerce and how your sales are recorded automatically in your books. BigCommerce is the best e-commerce platform for growing sales. Get your online store now. If you already have a BigCommerce store, click to link it with Simply to Be. Click on Store to go to your store on BigCommerce. Log in. This is your store admin page. Click to install. Click to confirm. Type your Simply to Be username and password. Click to log in. All good. Your setup is complete. And now, I will show you how your sales are recorded automatically in Simply to Be. This is the order that you are about to receive on your store. Now, your customer will complete the checkout. And enter the payment information. Okay. Your customer completed the order. Back to Simply to Be. The system will notify you once you receive an order. On the jobs screen, this is the order you've just received. If you ship the order, job is also updated in Simply to Be. That was cool.
Simply to Be. Expand your business the simplest way.